the slogan of Naukri Do Zanjeer Nahi, thousands of Indian Youth Congress workers have gathered here at the Jantar Mantar and they have started their protest march towards Parliament for Parliament Ghorao. I'm joined by one of the IYC workers. So what are your main demands? Why you have gathered here?
Basically, we need a special session on the topic of unemployment. And at this point of time in our country, the government has failed monumentally on the topic of employment if we discuss. Haryana, a part of the Delhi NCR, is among the top state in the case of unemployment. The teenagers, the youth of the nation are forced to go by illegal means to another country, and when they are caught and there is another policy change, they are brought back in handcuffs in the army plane. And it is high time that the government listen to our demands and need to address the burning issue of unemployment here.
You have also called a symbolic march here. I've seen Congress worker tied in chains. So what do you want to depict with it?
See, the graduates, the postgraduates, the PhDs of this country are forced to fill up the form for a PN. And when they are abroad, they are sent back home in handcuffs. None of the BJP leader interfered on this issue that the Indian youth or their students or their teenagers should not be brought back in handcuffs. And Congress raised the issue. That's why it's a symbolic protest that they are in handcuffs.
We are witnessing protests both on the roads as well as in the parliament also, where we have seen that BJP is also targeting Congress. They are saying that Congress is doing appeasement in Karnataka with 4% Muslim quota.
I mean, the quota is all about the minorities. If you want to, on the topic of minority, BJP only listens to the word Muslims. There are n number of categories in the minority. As apart from that also, I mean the menu and the topic headline management by the BJP. A few weeks back it was Aurangzeb, and since yesterday it's Kunal Kamra. So they are expert in changing the headlines and the primetime news, but I mean it's a burning issue. We are not getting employed. They want us to get up in the morning, go to RSS Shaka, दिन में चाहते हम पकौड़ा तले, शाम को हम मोदी जी कहते थे चौकीदारी करें और खाकी चड्डी पहने. तो देश ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. रोजगार चाहिए, लोग भूखे मर जाएंगे. ब्रेन ड्रेन एक बहुत बड़ा इशू है. और अगर बात करें बाहर जाने वालों की, तो सबसे ज्यादा लोग तो गुजरात के पलायन कर रहे हैं. मोदी जी कम से कम आपके स्टेट का मामला है, उस पर ही शर्म कर लो.
As you can see visuals behind me that Congress workers have started their protest march towards the parliament. As you can see the confrontation going on between police and administration and between the Congress workers. Those who are trying to climb on the barricade, those who are trying to march towards the parliament, but on the other hand heavy police personnel have been deployed. Barricading has been done here to stop IYC workers. IYC Congress both are protesting on the roads as well as in the parliament. With cameraman Shagun Bhardwaj and Anmol Bali from Delhi.